Oh, hello there. Didn't see you there. All right. Now, I know why you're here, and you know why I'm here. We are here today to talk about Funko Fair Day 4. It's been an exciting day. This one was greatly anticipated. I was really excited about this one. And before you guys say anything or ask, no, I didn't get a haircut. You got a haircut. Anyways, before we get into all of today's fun, adventure, happy stuff, make sure you like the video, you subscribe, and you leave a comment of sorts down below. Let me know what you thought of today's selection, and if you have any other thoughts or what have you. Anyways, first up, we got a reveal of something that was already out in stores. Awkward. It was the WandaVision ones, and those have been out in stores for a while. So I don't know why they released them. So just to go over a bit of what they are, it's the ones that I've pretty much showed off in my TikTok. There is a 50, or is it the 50 version? Yeah, there is a 50 version chase of Vision, and it looks the same except for he has his Vision face. And then the other one, and the GameStop exclusive, is also Vision as well. Alright, next up we got a GameStop exclusive Stan Lee, and it's the street art version. So it looks like every other street art version except it's Stan Lee. I'm actually not too impressed with the street art ones. I mean, it was cool when it first came out, but the street art itself and the way that the Funkos look, it just all kind of looks the same. I don't know if you feel that way, but I feel that way. So you can't really differentiate one from the other unless you really know what you're looking for. Next up, they got Battle World, and this is something I quite enjoy playing. The Battle World series. I've been thinking about playing it more on my live streams on my TikTok. I don't know how you feel about that, but I'll have fun doing it. Let me know in the comments what you think. But they did a new battle pack sort of thing where it comes with like 6 other heroes in it, so it's one of the bigger ones, and it has Loki in it. Next up, we got the Spider-Man Miles Morales ones, and those look pretty dang cool. And as you know, something looks pretty dang cool and it's pretty dang popular and it goes on the Funko store. What do we always say? It's gone within seconds. So yeah, they were all gone. This was also something that was released a while ago as well. So, I mean, I pre-ordered some of them like a month or so ago. So I don't know exactly why today especially they've been releasing ones that have already been released. It's kind of odd. But anyways, there's 11 different Miles Morales ones. They all look super cool. There's a GameStop exclusive and it glows in the dark. It's basically the Iron Spider, but like purple and red. There's a Hot Topic exclusive of Miles Morales hanging down from a web, upside down. There's also a chase version of Miles Morales without his hood on. Or mask on, I mean. But yeah, those were all available on the Funko store, and they sold out in seconds. As expected. Alright, then we got some cool new Deadpool ones, which some of them are pretty surprising. So we got 9 different ones, 9 different Deadpools. And then it also looks like we have some Dorbs, new Dorb ones. But I think the one everyone was most excited about was the T-Rex Deadpool. That was super cool. I mean, they all look fantastic, but I think the T-Rex one was just wow. Anyways, there's a Hot Topic exclusive one, or no, yeah. And it's Ballerina Deadpool. There is a GameStop exclusive one, and it's Sherlock Holmes version, so he has like the magnifying glass to his eye, and it's like all big and cartoony like, which I think looks really cool. And then we have Walmart exclusive Sexy Construction Worker Deadpool. Basically it looks like how a construction worker would look, except for he has his shirt open, so that's why I call it Sexy Construction Worker. Alright, this one was kind of interesting. So the next one that I'm going to talk about is the Infinity Warps one, and they kind of just did a reboot. I already have the Infinity Wars ones, and they look exactly the same as the ones that they advertised on the page. So today was just kind of like a bunch of reboots, but they did come out with some new ones for the series. So there's a Target exclusive Iron Hammer one instead of the regular Walmart exclusive, but it also glows in the dark. Looks exactly the same. It just has a Target sticker on it. There's a GameStop exclusive Ghost Rider one, which looks really cool, so I'd look out for that. There's a Funko exclusive Thing. We also have a Hot Topic exclusive and an Amazon exclusive, and then a couple of other ones. The other one that they came out with was Mad May Helena, Diamond Patch, and they came out with a new Supreme Soldier. And what was interesting about this one was I was actually going to pick up those. So as soon as they released it, I went on the Funko store and I started looking for them, and I couldn't find them. About 5 minutes go by, I'm like reloading, I'm refreshing the page, and they still aren't appearing on there. So I was like, okay, I guess they'll do it later, because there was a Funko Pop exclusive, which was the thing that I was looking for, and it wasn't on there. So I was like, this is really weird. So anyways, I go in and I take a shower. When I came, literally like 3-minute shower, I come back, and what do I see when I open up the Funko store? They're all sold out. Yeah. And then they also did a re-release of the Falcon and the Winter Soldier ones, which have already been out in stores. I found them when I went to Hot Topic. And then something that was kind of interesting is they did a Funko Pop socket thing. It's the Blacklight series ones, but in pop socket form, and those ones look actually pretty cool, and wouldn't you know it, they're all sold out as well. They also re-released Lucha Libre ones, which have already been out in stores. I've seen them pretty much everywhere. So I mean, if you haven't seen them by now, I don't know what to tell you. I didn't really want to go full in depth with the ones that have already been out, which were pretty much most of them. But there were a couple new ones that came out that I was pretty excited for, and I couldn't get a hold of. Anyways, I love you guys. Come back tomorrow for day 5.